My name is Michnas. I'm the diabolical overlord of soft luggage shenanigans at Turkana, and this is the Stow Crow tool pouches. We've got two of sizes of them, a quick fix and a bush fix. For ages, and as we started traveling, I did the same as everybody else. I bought a big tool bag, I stuffed it with 10 kilograms worth of tools. It went all the way through Africa with me, and by the time we went halfway, I figured out that this tool bag, how you stuff tools into bags, is not working. And tool rolls is fabric on fabric that you just roll on each other, and eventually it's this big and it fits nowhere. Pack like a book, not a tool roll. It must be big enough that you can store short tire levers or a trail stand, removable pouches, because sometimes you want to pack your tools in the bottom of your panniers. You don't need them every day, but you need maybe a screwdriver, your Leatherman multi-tool that is easy accessible. We use shark fur, our proprietary fabric. It's a shark fur 400. It's incredibly tough. It's abrasive resistant, tear resistant, can handle chafing. On the outside of the pouch, there's tie down points if you only need to take the pouch with you on a trip. And then there's also tie down points on the front of the bag with a G-hook. You can hang the tool bag on your handlebars or any place just by doing that. There's two zip pockets on the top that you can use for sockets or small little item, bolts and nuts. And then there's two removable long pouches and these ones you can use either for a weekend ride if you don't need to use the whole bag, you just pack what you need, or if you need to have some of your tools accessible, easy, that you don't need to have in the bottom of your panniers, place for all your spanners. And there's enough space and enough volume in them that you can double stack the spanners if need be. We have a little tray that you put together because to work in the sand, you sit on the dust and your bolts and nuts from your rear axle or the front grab screws is gone. Bush fix, there's a little magnet inside. You can just chuck the stuff in there and it will stick to that. On the quick fix, there's no magnet on it, but it looks exactly the same. Stow Crow bush fix, it's 26.5 centimeters long, and it can accommodate basically any short tire lever from every single brand that's out there can fit into this one. The quick fix is 24 centimeters long. Short tire lever still fits into there, but this is our Stow Crow tool bags.